This photograph is a watercolor painting given to me as a birthday gift from my daughter-in-law. At the time, she and my son were not yet married, so this was a gift specifically from her. After opening it, I leaned in for a hug and noticed the gamut of emotions on her face. The apprehension of if I would like it, the vulnerability of exposing her creativity, the uncertainty of our future relationship, and finally the look of joy as she noticed my enthusiasm. The painting was modeled after a picture she took of my daughter and I hugging our goodbyes at the end of a visit. The painting is so close to the photograph's image, it's truly a work of art. Even though I am so proud of Clara, posting the picture of the painting on Facebook, boasting not only her talent but her thoughtfulness, it may never hang on my wall. You see, Clara was too good at capturing the raw emotion of that moment, better even than the photograph. My adult daughter was not just leaving to reside a few states away. She was returning to an emotional, mental, and possibly physical abusive relationship. The embrace I was giving her was a physical and emotional imprint of all the love and support I was offering to take it with her. It was an imprint of her childhood experiences where she was taught to be strong, valued, and respected. When I look at this painting, I can still feel the uncertainty of whether or not I will hold her again. She is in a better place now, away from the monster, but he still lurks in her subconscious, ready to defeat her. I am confident that one day she will return to the bright, bubbly person I knew, and maybe then I can see the painting from a different view and hang it proudly.